Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about identities. So we put s minus number 2 everything to the power of 2. Next we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over s, b over s minus number 2 square, and c over s minus number 2. Because we have the power number 2, that's why we need to have two fractions related to this one. And we reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. Next, we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 2 square. So capital 8 multiplied by this one. This one, it is missing about s. So capital B multiplied by s. This one, it is missing about s and s minus number 2. So capital C multiplied by s and s minus number 2. Now we need to expand this one. And this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s where we have a and c. About s we have negative number 4 with 8, b, and negative number 2 with c. So we have negative 4a plus b minus 2c. About the numbers, we have 4a. Now we need to compare coefficient. We have 4s. That means this one equals to number 4. We have the numbers, so 48 equals to number 3. We don't have s square, so a plus c equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we put 8BC go in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.